Yo, what's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day. If you clicked on this video, came here for a purpose, basically. You saw the title and all that, so yeah. So basically, this is your sign to go all in on trading. Trading, you can't have it as a little side thing. It's just the reality of it. Trading, you need to be all in, and it's something I've basically realized in the past couple months. If you focus on anything else besides trading, you're not going to get the regular growth you're supposed to in trading. Reason is, it's not your main priority, and when you go in the market and lose a trade, you're like, why did I lose? Like, obviously you're losing because it hasn't been your focus, and you aren't learning at that good pace as you should be learning at. So basically, that's why you need to go all in. It can't be a little side thing. Like, it's either all in or nothing, I'll be honest. So it's just been a little something I've been thinking about recently. So I'm like, screw it, let's make a little video about it. This is all raw footage, so we'll see how it turns out. No editing, no script or anything. I'm literally on a walk right now. It's a beautiful day, beautiful evening. So yeah, basically go all in on trading. Learn absolutely everything about trading. A thing that helped me go all in was, wait, if you're watching this, do this right now or as soon as possible. Write down all of the things that you think are holding you back. The reason for this is, if you find out all the things that are holding you back, you'll eliminate all of the bad habits in your life, or not in your life, in your trading. And with that, if you remove them and substitute them with positive habits, your trading progress will skyrocket up. Absolutely sensational. So do that right now. Write down every single thing that might be holding you back, each input, and change that to a positive input so you can have that positive output. We talk about this a lot. So yeah, that's basically the first step. And that's one of the crucial things, because mindset is extremely big in trading. You need to be able to control your mindset and have a positive mindset. No trash mindset like these kids have. So you need to understand the mindset game of trading and just build that psychology side of it. And there's many tactics on how to do this. Obviously, journaling is a big one. If you aren't journaling, change that right now. I'll post a journaling video, but just in quick detail about journaling, you could use Notion calendar, Notion data, or a Google Docs and write stuff about your trades. So yeah, that's my quick little journaling. I'll go more in depth about journaling in another video. So yeah. Okay, so obviously, like I was saying, build up your psychology side in trading. That's crucial. Here's the thing. If you have a good edge, it doesn't matter if you have good psychology. Wait, let me reword that, sorry. If you have a good edge, none of that matters if you have bad psychology. Because if you have bad psychology, you're going to tend to force trades, revenge trade, just make stupid psychology mistakes. So therefore, it decreases your probabilities of your edge, because you won't have the mental framework inside your edge, and you need that mental framework inside your edge. So basically, just build up your mental game. Go all in into that. And another thing I've been basically going all into recently is my risk management. Why? It's because I realized, I thought it was good, but I realized how bad it actually was. The reason for this is, I learned if you had an average of 3 risk reward per trade, and a 50% average win rate, you should be profitable. And I'm like, bro, my risk management actually sucks. So your goal should be having a 3 risk reward and a 50% win rate. That's a solid goal for trading. Why? Because if you have a 50% win rate, you shouldn't be worrying about that stuff too much, because if you have a good risk reward, you'll still be profitable. It's just something that humbled me. I'll be honest. I'm like, shoot, I suck at this. So yeah. And to be honest, I don't even know where this video is even going. I'm talking about going all in, then I talk about risk management. But either way, pretty valuable stuff. And yeah, another way, just basically go all in. Develop your edge in the market. No edge, if you don't have any edge, you're basically gambling in the end. Reason is, you have no advantage at all. It makes no sense if you don't have an edge or anything. So if you go in the market, wake up, you trade, you take random trades without an edge, so basically no purpose at all trading, you're gonna lose in the long term. You may get lucky, maybe win 5 trades, but after that you are screwed because you have no probability. You have no advantage. So let's think about it this way. Let's see if a person develops his edge for 3 months, after that trades for 6 months in a disciplined way, follows his edge, develops his mental framework, and journals every trade. He's gonna be way much better than the person who wakes up, trades, gets a couple wins, loses most of them, then basically doesn't care, doesn't journal, doesn't develop his edge, doesn't develop his mental framework. Obviously the first person is gonna be better, so be that person. Be that person. And talking about being that person this is a whole different subject, but it's crucial. Think of the person you want to be. So think of the trader you want to be. If you want to be a profitable trader, then act like a profitable trader. So develop the habits a profitable trader has, and basically just do that in the day-to-day life. And eventually through compounding, you'll become closer to that person, and you'll eventually be profitable, because if you have the habits as a profitable trader, you'll soon become a profitable trader. And that's another thing you can do by going all in. Just develop the good habits a profitable trader has. So through this, watch successful traders, see what they do, see what they're not doing, and see what you're doing compared to them, and basically just implement that. Then soon you'll see a bunch of growth. This is how I've seen a bunch of growth in myself, so you can listen to it or you can't. It's your decision. But yeah, think of the person you want to be and become that person. It's something I'm currently doing, and I like it. Helps me a lot. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. This is a very raw footage video. I might have gotten off topic, but hope you guys enjoy, took value. Comment trading win. But that was extremely random, but comment that if you made it this far. Make sure to follow the Instagram, DM me on Insta if you want to connect, have any questions or anything. So hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Make sure to sub and join the free community link in the description. Laters.